Music. Couchsurfing, a booking platform review. Ever wondered about Couchsurfing? This video explores this unique platform connecting travelers with free accommodations worldwide. Check the description for links. Couchsurfing isn't just about saving money, it's about immersing yourself in local culture and forging genuine connections. Perfect for solo travelers, backpackers, or anyone seeking authentic experiences. The platform's heart is its community. Create a profile, share your interests, and find hosts offering free stays in your destination cities. Hosts also browse guest profiles, fostering mutual understanding before confirming. The review system builds trust, allowing both hosts and guests to share feedback after each stay. Direct messaging ensures compatibility and confirms details before booking. Couchsurfing is ideal for budget-minded travelers craving deeper cultural immersion. It connects those who love socializing with fellow adventurers and sharing their own space with others. More than just a place to sleep, Couchsurfing is a community of passionate travelers sharing stories, cultures, and experiences. Ready for an adventure? Check the description for links and start your Couchsurfing journey today. Thanks for watching.